ThePintasticGirls!
Hi, I'm Bethany.
Hi, I'm Abigail. I'm Ruth.
And we're the
ThePintasticGirls!
Welcome to a very special episode of the Pintastic Girls. As you can see, we are all decked out in Disney gear. We got Stitch right here. Hi Stitch, how are you? And Stitch's friend Angel right here, right? And then we got Minnie Mouse, right? Are you Minnie Mouse?
And that's a mommy.
And I also got Stitch on. I don't know if you can see.
And that's a mommy. That's a mommy.
Yes, Snow White ears. Well, we have a very special unboxing to do today. We have a Magic at Your Door subscription box.
Are you going to tell them what happened in the mail?
Well, as you can see, you're looking at this box saying, like, what happened to that box? Well, our mailman decided to stuff it into our mailbox, and I could not get it out. And I'm not sure what else has happened along the way, but I know these are supposed to be pretty white boxes, and you know, even says the Pintastic Girls on here. But you know, don't judge a book by its cover, right? It's what's inside that counts, and hopefully nothing is broken. But we are so excited. Well, Magic at Your Door, they do monthly subscription boxes, but they also do one-time boxes, and that's what we got today. It's a special one-time box, and this was a big surprise for these girls, right? Mm-hmm. So we're gonna see what they picked out for us. With Magic at Your Door, they send a questionnaire out, and they ask you all your different preferences of things that you like, different characters, or what type of items you want. So we'll see.
Can we open it?
Okay, we're ready. Got my scissors.
Open it, open it.
Okay.
Now, do it.
I'm doing it. Okay.
Or force it open.
I want to be careful. I don't want to cause any more damage to this box here.
You said the box doesn't count.
I know, but I don't want to hurt what's inside.
Or don't make a hole in it.
Okay. Hold on. We're going to take turns.
Can I go first?
Okay, oh yes. Okay, we're gonna do all this thing, I guess. But first, let's see what's on top here. We have a welcome Magic at Your Door. And here we get a little, there's a price code chart, because at Disney they have color codes for the things that you could buy. And also, there's some promo codes here.
And there's some confetti inside.
There's $10 off your Disney Magic Box subscription and pin subscription. So I will link these special offer codes down below in the description box. But I think these girls are a little antsy right now. So let's see. Confetti. Okay, wait. We're gonna do one at a time. Let's see. Wait. Okay, go ahead, Abigail. What is it? Ah! It's what I have! That's okay, girls. We can have two.
Yes.
Look at it. It's so funny because we all only have one pair of ears.
How about we just give it away to somebody else?
Oh yeah, someone else can have it, or we can maybe do a giveaway with these ears. So that's a good idea, Rosie.
Yeah. My turn.
So
silver and white.
So let's see, these ears, do they have a price on them? They don't, but I think ears usually run about $20, $25.
Okay,
so let's see, Rosie, you're next. Reach inside. One thing, okay? What is it?
Ooh, it's a hat.
Oh, it's a Minnie Mouse hat.
Look at there's like a pin inside.
Oh, there's a pin inside. What pin? What is it? It's a Minnie Mouse pin. Look at that.
And a little hat.
And a hat. Well, what we'll do at the end is we'll do
look at it.
Some close-ups of everything we got. Look at Mickey Loves Me with a little pom-pom on the top. How cute is that? Holly, do you want to put the Minnie Mouse hat on?
No.
No? Okay. How cute is that?
Holly's
that is adorable.
Holly.
Okay.
Reach inside.
So reach inside. Let's see.
Oh, look.
Okay. That was some confetti. Not too many. Okay, what's next? What's this, Holly? Oh, it's a hat! We've got two things here. Hold on, we got a cute Dumbo.
It's a Stitch bow.
Look at the Dumbo hat, Holly.
Yeah, that's so cute.
Do you want to put it on?
No. No.
Not right now? This is so cute. And oh, Abigail,
adorable.
you want that?
I want that.
A little Stitch hair bow. How cute is that? Oh, this is $8.50. I forgot. I'm not giving prices. And this hat is $21.95.
That's a lot of money.
And this hat is $17.95.
Okay, your turn.
How cute is that?
Look at that.
Oh, we love our stationery, right? We got Tinkerbell notepad. How cute is that? $12.99. And you love Tinkerbell, right? Yes.
My turn.
Okay. What is it? What is it? Minnie and Mickey Mouse. Are these socks? These are for me.
This is so cute.
$12.95. I'm gonna take them out of the bag. Let's see. Look at how cute. I cannot wait to wear those. Thank you. Okay.
Look at the ears.
It's Holly's turn.
Look at the ears.
Okay, move out of the way. Move out of the way. Okay, Holly, your turn. Reach in. What do you get? Whoa! Oh!
It's a Mickey mug.
It is. I only have one Disney mug, and this is not what I have. And I love it, and I'm so happy.
I see it.
Mickey Mouse mug, and it's really big. You can have soup in this. Do you like it?
I like it.
Oh, it's so nice. I love that. Oh, I'm sorry. So you can see that.
I'll go.
Okay, hold on. Let me put it down. Look at all this stuff we're getting.
Look at this.
What is
A
it?
postcard coloring book.
That is awesome.
It's a coloring book.
Oh, look at that. It's a Disneyland postcard coloring book. $9.99.
That's really cute.
Wow. Oh, hold on. We're gonna show everybody. Look at, you can color your own postcards. These are a lot of fun, right, girls?
Yeah. I like magic at your door.
Yeah, I love this. Ooh, this is what I wanted. Towels, and they're the castle towels.
That's so cute.
Oh, hold on. Let's show everybody. So we have 2 kitchen towels here, or bathroom towels, and let's see, they are, there's no price on them, but they have the castle on them.
And that's confetti.
And then this one has a Mickey faces and the castle, and I can't wait to put these in my kitchen. Oh, so exciting. Okay, whose turn is it next?
Is
there anything
no,
else?
Holly's.
Oh, Holly's turn? Okay, watch out, let Holly have a turn. You can't see Holly. Okay, pick one thing. Here, pick this. Oh, look at that.
It's a water bottle. It's a Stitch bottle.
Look at Holly. Oh.
I want it inside.
Oh, hold on. Wait. Calm down. Wait. There's something inside? Okay, hold on. Well, first let's talk about this before you open that, okay? This is a Stitch water bottle where you can put fruit inside. So it's a fruit infused bottle. This is awesome. I am so excited. This is like the best thing ever. Magic at your door. You are awesome. Everybody needs to, that watches this video needs to stop, go to the link below and order this box. I'm telling you. Right now. I demand it. Okay, so we have to see what was inside. I guess you have to make sure you look in all the nooks and crannies because they hide things.
It's a bell.
A bell pin. Oh, I love Belle. I would say that Belle is probably your favorite princess, right, Abigail? And this is look at it. So this is a green, which is I lost the paper. It's buried here. Okay, green is $8.99. So far, I think this is just an awesome value.
I mean, I'll see your
Okay?
Okay.
You need to move over, okay?
What?
What is it? What is it? Oh! Look at this.
It's a notebook.
They are notebooks of Mickey treats,
I
guys.
think we have those, but
No, we don't have it. We have the magnets,
Yeah,
but
we
we do not
have
have the sticky
Oh.
notes. Oh, wow. This is, I love this. I love Mickey treats, and this is just awesome.
My turn.
$12.99 for this.
My turn.
Okay, okay. Hold on. Okay, go ahead. What
Ooh,
is it?
there's something inside.
Okay.
No, let's do it last. Just do
Yeah,
it
we'll do that
last.
one last. Okay, pick something else. Ah! I'm so excited! I actually, because
That's so cute.
Magic at Your Door has a Facebook group, and somebody just received these, and I saw them, and I said,
Stop.
I want them so bad, and now I got them in my refrigerator. Excited?
Yeah.
Oh, I love them, and it's a red, and it's $9.99.
I like.
Oh, I love these. Okay, whose turn?
Holly.
Holly. Okay,
Holly.
Holly.
No, not that. No. Yeah.
Okay.
Put that.
Okay, let's see.
Oh. It's something delicate.
Hold on, girls. We can't even. Ooh. Let's see. Oh.
What is it?
It looks like it might be a snow globe. I think I might die. Oh!
Yeah.
Hold on.
Rosie.
Careful,
There.
careful, careful. Oh my golly gee.
My turn.
It is a 2018 snow globe with Mickey and Minnie. Yes, you can see Holly. Look at.
I need this.
Look, you gotta move over because no one can see
I
Holly.
need this.
No, it doesn't have music, honey. It's just a snow globe. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, we're gonna be very careful. It's just glass, okay? Hold on. Wait, wait.
Now, the golden pouch.
Oh, that's gold. It's silver.
Silver, I mean.
Okay. So, hold on. Let's have a celebration first before we open it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Let's.
There's a lot of
That is a celebration of the silver pouch. Okay. Let's finish the celebration. Let's open it. What's inside?
There's more confetti.
Okay. Let's see.
I'm opening it.
Be very careful, just in case.
Confetti.
What is it?
It's so cute.
It's a stitch pin.
There's another.
Guys.
There's another pin. It's another
Stitch pin.
pin.
Let's hold on. So.
This is so cute.
Oh, guys. And if you haven't seen us before, we actually last week did a video on how to make a Mickey Mouse Disney pin board. So I'll link that down below so you guys could see. And we are going to be putting these new pins on our pin boards, right, girls?
Yeah.
So we really, guys, this is awesome.
Yeah.
So what I'll do is I'll do close-up pictures of all the things that we got, and then I'll try to insert the price of how much everything is, and then I'll give you all the info on how much the box is, and I have those discount codes, and I'll put a link to the Magic at Your Door website, because guys, this is like Christmas and birthday all wrapped into one, I tell you. This is amazing. Mouse think? Hooray! Yay, magic at your door! Woo! So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Please like. Please share our video. Spread the word. And we're so excited that you guys came and watched us today. So, goodbye!